Welcome to the daily message for this Christmas day in the year 2020. We're all very familiar with the Christmas story, the story of the Annunciation, of the journey to Bethlehem, the star, the Magi, the appearance of the angels to the shepherds, the song of the angels. All of those details are beautiful and meaningful. And yet behind it all is the message that was delivered to Mary by the angel Gabriel at the Annunciation. And it is this which we celebrate on this and every Christmas day. The angel said to Mary, "And he shall be called Emmanuel," a name which means God is with us. This Christmas day reminds us that God was with us not just during the lifetime of Jesus, but that God is with us each and every day. It is something upon which our very faith as Christians is based. On this Christmas day, I invite us to celebrate and give thanks once again for the gift of Emmanuel, the gift of God with us to the world. I hope you have a blessed, peaceful, restful, and healthy Christmas. Thank you so much for watching today and every day.